Hi, today we're going to talk about how to manage our members on our Hootboard account. We're going to go to our left-hand menu here, and we're going to go to Members. In a previous video, we went over how to invite new members to your board, and we also discussed what our member statuses were. We have Admin, Emergency Poster, Follower, Private Viewers. So for the sake of today's video, let's say that you want to adjust someone's access level. So we're going to start by typing their name. We're going to see the username here, their email address on file, their status. This particular person is a private viewer. Now we want to actually adjust them. So this person, we want to actually make them a poster. So we want to give them access to post freely on our boards. So we're going to click Make Poster. And it's as simple as that. That status is then going to immediately update. We can go back here and say in the future we want to also promote them to an admin. We can also do that very easily. As you can see, it's a very easy process. We can also go back, and if we'd like to, we can remove them from the board. It's as simple as that. With this knowledge, you can easily keep your member list organized and make sure everyone has the appropriate access level. Thank you for watching.